Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 10 February 2026, Nifty Index kicked off the session with a gap up of nearly 200 points post the opening surge. The index remained tightly range-bound within a band of 50 points for most part of the day, but the fact that the index consolidating without giving up ground after the gap up highlights the strength of the bulls and presence of steady demand at higher levels. On the daily chart, the index formed a small body candle with longer lower shadow, indicating buying interest at lower levels. It has also negated the lower highs, lower lows structure of the last four sessions. India VIX was up by around 2.1% to 12.2 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.11. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,400 to 26,400 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,600 to 26,100 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,222 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 263 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 19%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,700 for the next up move towards 26,200, while support can be seen at 25,550. Till the time Bank Nifty holds above 60,500, strength is likely to rebuild towards 61,250, while supports have been shifting higher to 60,250 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in SBI, Shriram Finance, Samvardhan Motherson, BSE, Tata Steel, Bank of India, Titan, Muthoot Finance and APL Apollo. While some weakness could be seen in Infosys, Paytm, Max Healthcare, Siemens and Wipro. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.